Ever looked at a photo and felt like it told a whole story? Often, it's not just the subject. It's the props that bring that story to life. Props are powerful visual cues. They hint at context, personality, and mood without saying a word. A cup of coffee, an old book, a pair of worn shoes. Each item adds layers to your frame. Always ask, what story am I trying to tell? A traveler's tale? Add a map, backpack, or journal. A cozy morning vibe? Use blankets, candles, maybe a steaming mug. Match the color palette to your mood. Neutral for calm, bold for drama. Props should support, not distract. Use the rule of thirds to position them. Lead the viewer's eye toward your subject. Less is more. Don't overcrowd the frame. In this shot, we used a vintage typewriter, a notebook, and a soft lamp to hint at a writer's solitude. No words needed. The mood is clear. Next time you shoot, think like a storyteller. Let your props speak for your subject. For more emotional photography tips, subscribe and join the journey. Lens of Emotion.